Wait, before you pull out that rake or plant another seed, let me ask you something. Did you know there are a few September garden tasks that can literally decide whether your garden thrives or struggles next year? Most beginners skip them, and by the time they realize it, it's too late. That's why today I'm giving you the ultimate September gardening checklist, a step-by-step guide so you never miss a thing. And trust me, one of these tasks is so overlooked that even experienced gardeners forget it. Stick around, because I'll reveal that secret near the end. Let's kick off with the basics. But wait, don't roll your eyes, because the first September garden task is more powerful than most people think. It's cleaning up summer leftovers. Here's the shocker: leaving old plants, weeds, or diseased leaves lying around isn't just messy, it's like sending an invitation to pests and diseases for next spring. But if you clean up now, you cut down next year's problems before they even start. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most gardeners think pulling plants is enough. Wrong. You need to add that waste to compost or dispose of it properly. Why? Composting in September gives you a head start on nutrient-rich soil for spring. There's one item in your garden you should never toss into compost right now, but hold that thought. I'll reveal it a little later. Next on our September gardening checklist is soil preparation. But here's where most beginners get tricked. They think soil is dead in the fall. The truth? September is the month when soil repair works like magic. Here's why. The ground is still warm, and that means microbes are active. If you add compost, mulch, or cover crops now, your soil will transform while you're cozy indoors this winter. But wait, don't just throw in any mulch. There's one type of mulch that can actually harm your plants if you use it in September. Curious? I'll get to that in just a moment, so keep watching. Meanwhile, think of it like this. While everyone else is shutting down their gardens, you're secretly supercharging yours. And next spring, when their plants look weak, yours will already be thriving. That's the September advantage most people miss. Now let's talk about planting, because September isn't just the end of the season, it's a golden opportunity. Here's a pattern interrupt for you. What if I told you that September is the best time to plant certain crops? Sounds backwards, right? But here's the truth. Cool season veggies like spinach, kale, and radishes absolutely love this time of year. The soil is warm enough for quick germination, and the cooler nights reduce stress. And for flowers, September is perfect for planting spring bulbs like tulips and daffodils. Think about it, you put in the work now, and when the snow melts, your yard bursts with color. But there's one planting mistake that can wipe out your bulbs before winter even begins. I'll explain that soon, because missing this step is the reason many gardeners never see their bulbs bloom. So, let's circle back and answer those open questions. Remember I said there's one thing you should never compost in September? That's diseased plants. If you throw them in, those diseases survive and come right back next year. Dispose of them away from your garden. And about mulch, the type you want to avoid is fresh grass clippings. They heat up, get slimy, and can suffocate your soil. Stick with shredded leaves or straw. Finally, the bold mistake, it's skipping depth. Plant them too shallow, and frost wipes them out. Rule of thumb, plant at least 3 times the bulb's height. And there you have it, the complete September gardening checklist. Clean up smart, feed your soil, and plant wisely. Do these September garden tasks now, and you'll thank yourself in spring. Which of these steps will you start with today? Let me know in the comments, and happy gardening.